How to log out of Threads account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to log out of Threads account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to my Threads app right here. And then as you can see right here, this is my home page. So what you need to do is to head over to your profile page. You can do that by clicking over your button right here, which is the profile page button. And then as you can see, I am on my profile page. Then what we need to do next is to just click on these two lines right here. And then from in there on the bottom option, you can see the logout button. So what you need to do is to just click on that. So let's try to click on that. And click on logout again, and then this will log out our accounts from Threads. So that's just how easy logging out of Threads account is. So if you want to switch account, you can just click on switch accounts right here. But if you want to log back in again, you can just click on this login with Instagram. Since my Instagram is already connected to my Threads, I can just do this with one tap. So just click on this right here, and as you can see, it will load and it will log me back in Threads account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to log out of Threads account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.